There you go. They can earn it. They got to earn everything. What's that push, bro?
Go to the ball.
Right here.
There you go. There you go, Kurt. Double dribble. There you go, Kurt. Way to go, Kurt. Hey, Kurt. Way to go.
Good job, John.
Mike, get open, Mike.
Come on. Push. Come on.
Hey, let the shooter stay on it.
He knows he needs to come out and look to this bench every time.
Yeah.
Hey, whose man is this right here?
Well, take him out.
Hey, switch up, Brandon. Switch up. Brandon, switch up.
Ah. Get on it. That's Wayne.
Hey. All right, well, everybody knows. All right, Kirk, we on the 100% of the line. Let's go. Brandon, watch this guy first. You got two back. There's two back.
Come on.
Follow, Kurt. Get on them boys, Kurt. Good job, Kurt.
Come on, we're too close. Come on.
Man. Come on. Look under the goal. Watch under the goal. Don't walk the guy in front of you.
Inside, there he is.
Oh! Go, Victor! Go, Vic!
Hands solo. Brandon, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you just jumped out on that.
Hey, get back, Kurt. He's behind you. He's behind you, Kurt. Oh, you got it, Kurt.
What do you think, man?
block, Marcus. Hey, box out. Let's go, team.
Let's go, Vic.
Here you go.
Come on, baby. Take your time. Make it yours.
Let's go, box out. Here we go.
Yeah, nice.